Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking about searching in TickTick, and it's all coming up next. So in today's episode, we're going to be discussing searching in TickTick. So let's get right to it. So as you see here, we have TickTick open up for the web. And I just want to kind of show you how you can search really easily here inside of TickTick. Right up here, next to the notification bell, you have a magnifying glass, which is a common, look to a search query field. So you can click on that and it'll pop up a search area. So why would I ever want to search for anything? Well, maybe I want to search for something that I have a recurring task and I want to see, did I put it down? Because, if you look here, you see I have like 106 tasks for my hotel job, 110 tasks for my personal. Well, maybe I've forgotten that I've actually put a task down. So I can search for it kind of easily. Let's say, for instance, I want to see when my car registration is. So if I type in car, I can say, oh yeah, I got car insurance. I also got check pool, but that's not really what I want. Where is it at? So I can go down until I find my car registration, or maybe I just type in registration right over here. See, renew auto registration for pilot, and as well as for the tracks. See? These are really cool ways that you can search for things inside of your TickTick in order to find something that maybe you don't know if you've actually done it, or maybe you've got so many tasks you just don't even know where it's at, and do you have even a date on it or not? You just don't really know. So you can search for it really easily, and I use this quite often, by the way, to search for stuff if I'm looking for something. Like earlier, one of my other episodes, I put down some tasks just to give you all a little demo, and I forgot what date I picked, and so they were in the future, and I'm like, well, I got to search for it. So I just searched for it and I found them and then deleted those tasks because they're obviously just demo tasks, wasn't really intended for my life. But anywho, that is how you use the search field in here. Now also, just so you know, if you were to say go to your settings, go down here to shortcuts. In here you have a shortcut right here of it's like a little slash, I think it's called a / that you can go to the search. So when you're on this page, you can just hit / and it automatically opens up that search field right there. Pretty cool, huh? So if you're into shortcuts and stuff like that, TickTick does utilize shortcuts in its programming. And so with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this episode. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see any more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.